Greetings, kings and queens, and welcome back to another amazing video. Yes, I know I haven't done an upload in some time. I apologize for that, but the few of you that socialize with me regularly outside of YouTube know that I'm very busy, and actually the things you already are aware of what I'm doing. But in this video, this whole video you're about to see, or that you're watching now, was from February 10th all the way to March 10th. So you'll see snow on the deck, or you'll see it wet. It was during the winter months, before and during around daylight savings time. And I put this video together. I used about 84 clips, little clips and snippets that I would take almost every day or a few times a day between February 10th through March 10th, to let you all see what it's like waking up in the early hours when I get ready to go to work. What it's like to be with Fu in the early hours before I go to work. Fu Gurl has a habit of wanting to go by the deck doors. And she wants those blinds up, because she loves to lay on that pet mat there with the famous red blanket to lay and soak up the sun. And every day, I have to pull those blinds up. During the time when it was daylight savings, it was still dark when I would pull the blinds up, and she didn't understand that. But she did feel that there was a shift. Didn't understand, now why is it still dark when Mama pulls the blinds up? The sun is there, and well, where is the sun? You know? So I just wanted to share this with you all. There is a few little snippets of the Mo Man in there. I know you ladies go crazy for him, but he's in there too, a little bit, but he's not bothered by the blinds, the deck doors, you know, drawing up the blinds, and he's not really concerned about seeing the sun like Fu is, but she has to be there every single morning when I wake up out of my bed. She's by my bedroom door, and she has to go directly to the deck doors because she wants those blinds up. She wants to see the sun. She wants to lay on the bed there, and it almost is a little tear-dropping to see that she's just so sad when the sun isn't there after the daylight savings time comes and we lose an hour. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and I will try my best, because I've been getting a little caught up with the things that I've been having to do and the projects that I've been doing, plus working and all of that stuff, and trying to fit everything into my daily routine. And the weather hasn't been great, so that's kind of slowed down some of my projects that I've been wanted to do outside, and I just been very busy. But I hope you guys been enjoying the shorts that I've been posting, because I try to do that so that I can keep up with you guys, or you guys can keep up with me, and I still can put a little bit of something out there for you guys to see and enjoy. But that's it right now, and thank you so much. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who took an interest in deciding to subscribe to our channel. It means so much to us, and we're glad that you're here. Blessings, beautiful people. I'll see you in the next upload. Bye. You want the shades up, Fu? Yeah? Ready? Where were you, sir? Rise and shine, boy. You still sleepy? You're so cute. The sun isn't up, baby girl. It's too early. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Fu, the sun isn't up yet, baby girl. You gotta wait. You're so pretty. We can't put the blinds up, baby. We gotta wait till the sun shines. We gotta wait until the sun rises. Fu. Fu. Fu girl. Ooh-wee. girl. I'm sorry. Ready? Eyes inside. Fu, the hour has changed already. The sun isn't up yet, baby girl. You have 1 hour. They changed the time on us, Fu Gurl. I know you want to see the sun. Give it an hour, girl. I'm sorry, Fu, the sun isn't, there's a big difference now for you, I can tell. We're behind an hour right now, little girl. So the sun isn't up right now like it usually would be. Fu, I know you want to lay on your red blanket in the sun, but they changed us with an hour. They took an hour away, so the sun won't be up yet, baby girl. We gotta wait. Mama gotta go to work. You waiting for the sun?